nice to get bunches of lightning in the rain.
Yeah, it's great. It's especially going to be really good for all the dryness everywhere. Did the lights go off?
It must just stay on for quite a while. That's what I was trying to figure out. You come out here and push the button, and it start all over. It was probably already off until you push that button.
That one wasn't in frame, but it was in view. Behind the trees. It was bright. Yes, you can watch YouTube for a little bit if you want. I don't care.
Who peed in the sky? Everything's yellow.
She's all yelling at him, hurry up, Jason, because the lightning. I'm freaking her out. She's funny.
That's a good one. It's like a half rainbow out there, see it?
Mm-hmm. There was one when we left to go over to the school, too.
Roll around on your belly.
That's work.
Yeah, sometimes. It moves stuff around so the air can move.
Wow. That's a really good one.
That was lame. I think there's either something wrong with Corbin, or he just like doesn't drink water enough. Cause when he spits, his spit doesn't even move. It just goes. He'll be like, he'll full spit and it just droops out. His
Wow, that was a really good one.
his spit is so thick.
That was a cool one.
I got that. I'm just going to hook my phone up to my computer so I can get really good shots from stills. It's hard to do it exact moving through the phone, but when you hook it to the computer, you have way more control because I have a way better editing system on my computer than the phone has. So I'll just get a bunch,
cool one.
get a bunch of still frames out of it.
Everything's dark and yellow.
You said something about rain possible, but
It was trying to sprinkle while we were over at the school.
so fucking hot. I don't think
Yeah.
it has rain pretty good to even get us. You can see the moisture right there where the rainbow is, but it doesn't look like much of it's making it to the ground.
Mm-mm. The droopiness stops about halfway
It's
down.
like sucking it right back.
Yup.
Those ones that spider out like that are cool. They don't just come straight down.
Yeah.
Nice, good rain, so it's rain hard for like 2 minutes. flooding this week.
Oh God, those poor people.
Yeah, and that was just fucking like a super weird area to get it. It's like the one fucking river I was watching it like showed like time lapse video of it. It was like a totally dry stream, and it came up like 35 feet in 20 minutes.